So, i-drain ko to. Anong, saan?
Ayan o, layo ka lang mga 3 meters. It's harmless. People walk around dripping from the CR, so wala yung diferensya.
That's what she said. Dito po kami sa Edna's
Money changer.
Money Change. Ah?
That's a
Beach
known,
town.
that's a known money changer sa Pilar.
Ay, ah? Uy, merong ano, bird. Ang laki ng bird, oh. That's what she said. Not what I meant, but look at that. It's hunting for its food. Yeah? Kita nyo po ba? Basta may bird. Hoy! Nakuha na! Hay!
Tanda ako. Bababa ako ah.
Oh! Ah! Nico! Yay!
Nico! 1, 2... Ay, sorry tatay.
Sinasadya ni nanay.